Guys, welcome back. Now we were reviewing the risk assessment. So we have done R1, we have done R2, we have done R3, we have done R4, we have done R5, we have done R6. Now R7 we have to do it. So now this is R7. R7 is underground services. So underground services. Underground services, this is almost green field, so no major concern. But you'll understand if there is something. So potential injury, potential damage. CRBS services. So this will review again. Potential injury. Or C, because electrocution can happen. Or C, WMS, company chassis manual, method statement, approved patient. Helicopter, this will not be there. Training staff, toolbox, wear warning. So this is correct. I will number the situation. We are okay.